Hi, everyone. I'm Danielle Barber, Director of Product Marketing, Regulatory Compliance here at Kiteworks, and I'm excited to share with you the news about the recent submission of the CMMC plan by the Department of Defense to the Office of Management and Budget. The submission to the OMB holds greater significance than a mere administrative step. It marks the formal beginning of the rulemaking process for the CMMC program. With the CMMC framework now under OMB's review, stakeholders can expect a 90-day assessment period that will shape the final form and implementation of CMMC. Following this review, the rule will take one of two routes, a proposed rule or an interim final rule, with both scenarios providing an opportunity for public comments. The DoD's submission to the OMB marks a significant milestone in the CMMC journey, paving the way for a future where the defense sector's cybersecurity mechanisms are resilient and unified against evolving threats. Click here to read more.